Most people think starting a real business means big money, big space, and big risk. That belief keeps millions stuck. The truth is, today you can start from a spare room, a garage, even a small corner of your home. With the right compact machines, ordinary people are turning simple ideas into steady income. In this video, I will tell you 25 small machines people are already using to make real money. From printing sneakers to brewing beer, or even shaping metal and wood, the tools are already here. Your garage could be more than storage, it could be your first business space. Some of these machines create products you see every day. Others make items so niche that customers happily pay premium prices. One machine on this list can turn raw material into sellable products in minutes, with profit margins that surprise even experienced sellers. Stay with me, because one of these might change how you see business forever. If you want the exact machine links and setup details for any of these, comment, "Send me links," and I will share them with you. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual effort, skills, and market conditions. Number 25. Neodon Kit, Circuit Board Production Kit. Electronics are everywhere, from smart lights to fitness devices, and small brands constantly need custom circuit boards. This Neodon kit allows people to assemble professional PCBs from home without a factory. The machine places tiny electronic components onto boards with high precision. You load the design file, add components, and the system automatically positions everything correctly. A starter setup costs around $3,500. Each board can cost about $8 to produce. Finished boards sell for $40 to $80 each. Many operators make $3,000 to $6,000 monthly profit. This is perfect for electronics, hobbyists, repair shops, and tech entrepreneurs. Number 24. Once Join Cup Sealing Machine. Takeaway drinks are booming, and customers expect spill-proof sealed cups. This cup sealing machine helps small drink brands look professional instantly. It seals plastic film tightly over cups filled with tea, coffee, juice, or bubble tea. You place the filled cup in the holder, pull the lever, and the machine heat seals the lid in seconds. The machine costs around $600. Each sealed cup costs about 20 cents to produce, including film. Drinks sell for $3 to $6. Many home sellers earn $2,500 to $5,000 monthly profit. Ideal for home cafes, pop-up stalls, and food delivery sellers. Keep watching because the machines coming next are not hobby tools. These are setups people are already using to collect real payments every single week. Number 23. Advanced Pottery Wheel. Handmade pottery is always in demand because people love unique items. An advanced pottery wheel helps creators make bowls, mugs, and decor faster and more consistently. The wheel spins smoothly while you shape wet clay with your hands. Speed control helps beginners and professionals get perfect results. A quality wheel costs around $1,200. Each item costs roughly $3 to $6 in clay and glazing. Finished pieces sell for $25 to $90 depending on design. Many potters earn $2,000 to $7,000 monthly profit. This machine is perfect for artists, creatives, and anyone who loves hands-on work. Number 22. Pico Brew Zatic, Craft Beer Brewing System. Craft beer fans want new flavors, not mass-produced drinks. The Pico Brew Zatic lets people brew premium beer from home with precision. It automates brewing temperatures, timing, and ingredient mixing. You add grain packs, water, and follow guided steps through the system. The machine costs around $2,500. Each batch costs about $20 to $30 to produce. Bottled craft beer can sell for $6 to $10 per bottle where permitted. Many users report $3,000 to $8,000 monthly profit. This system is great for craft beer lovers, small brewers, and niche beverage brands. Number 21. Tufting Gun, Custom Rug Making. Custom rugs are trending on social media and interior design platforms. A tufting gun allows creators to make unique rugs at home. The gun punches yarn through fabric stretched on a frame, forming thick, textured designs. You trace a design, guide the gun, and the rug takes shape quickly. A good tufting gun costs around $500. Material cost per rug is about $30 to $60. Custom rugs sell for $200 to $1,000 depending on size. Many creators make $4,000 to $10,000 monthly profit, perfect for artists, designers, and social media-driven sellers. Before number 20, take a moment to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. Our goal is to reach 10,000 subscribers, and your support helps this channel grow and bring you more real opportunities. Number 20, Cricut Easy Press 3. Personalized products sell because people love custom names and designs. The Cricut EasyPress 3 helps turn plain items into premium gifts from home. This machine uses controlled heat to press vinyl or transfer designs onto shirts, bags, hats, and more. You place the design, set the temperature, and press evenly for a few seconds. The machine costs around $250. Each item costs about $4 to $7 to produce. Custom products sell for $20 to $45. Many home sellers earn $2,000 to $6,000 monthly profit. This machine is perfect for beginners, Etsy sellers, and gift business owners. Number 19. Beverage die cutting and stamping press. Small businesses need branded packaging and unique designs to stand out. The Beverage die cutting and stamping press allows makers to cut and stamp leather, paper, and thin metal. It works by applying strong pressure using a hand lever or motor. You place the material and die, then press to create clean shapes or emboss logos. The machine costs around $900. Each product costs roughly $2 to $5 to make. Finished items sell for $25 to $80. Many sellers generate $3,000 to $7,000 monthly profit. Perfect for leather crafters, stationery brands, and custom packaging businesses. Up to this point, the machines were affordable. From here on, the profit potential jumps fast, and one of the next machines can recover its full cost in a single month. Number 18. Nelro Propane Melting Furnace. Recycled metal is turning into a profitable creative business. The Nelro Propane Melting Furnace lets people melt aluminum, copper, and brass at home. It heats metal using propane until it becomes liquid, ready for casting. You pour molten metal into molds to create parts, tools, or art pieces. This furnace costs around $700. Raw metal often costs $5 to $10 per item. Cast products sell for $40 to $200 depending on complexity. Many operators reach $2,500 to $8,000 monthly profit. This machine is ideal for metal artists, recyclers, and makers who enjoy hands-on projects. Number 17. Sausage Stuffer Machine. Homemade food products are gaining trust and loyal customers. A sausage stuffer machine helps create fresh sausages with full control over ingredients. The machine pushes seasoned meat into casings evenly and quickly. You load the meat, turn the handle or motor, and the sausage forms smoothly without air gaps. A reliable unit costs around $500. Each batch costs about $20 to $30 to produce. Sausages sell for $8 to $15 per pound. Many small sellers earn $3,000 to $6,000 monthly profit. Perfect for home cooks, butchers, and local food business starters. Number 16. Balloonsy Balloon Machine. Events always need decorations, and balloons are a must. The Balloonsy Balloon Machine helps create balloon bouquets, arches, and designs quickly. It inflates balloons automatically to consistent sizes, saving time and effort. You attach the balloon, press a button, and it fills in seconds. The machine costs around $400. Each setup costs about $15 to $40 in balloons. Event decorations sell for $150 to $800 per booking. Many decorators make $4,000 to $10,000 monthly profit. This machine is perfect for party planners, creatives, and anyone starting an event decoration business. Number 15. Cricut Mug Press. People love custom mugs because they are practical and personal at the same time. The Cricut Mug Press helps turn blank mugs into premium gifts from home. This machine applies even heat around the mug, permanently transferring designs onto the surface. You wrap the design, place the mug inside, and let the press do the work automatically. The machine costs around $230. Each mug costs about $4 to $6 to produce. Personalized mugs sell for $18 to $35. Many sellers earn $2,000 to $5,000 monthly profit. This is perfect for gift sellers, online stores, and print-on-demand creators. If you think these are impressive, wait until you see the machines ranked in the top 10. Some of them are quietly replacing traditional small factories. Number 14. Soap Making Kit. Customers are moving toward natural and handmade products for daily use. A soap-making kit allows anyone to produce custom soaps at home. The kit melts soap base, mixes oils and scents, then pours into molds. You heat, stir, pour, and let it cool, simple, and beginner-friendly. A complete kit costs around $150. Each bar costs roughly $1 to $2 to produce. Handmade soaps sell for $6 to $12 each. Many small brands reach $2,500 to $6,000 monthly profit. This machine setup is perfect for wellness lovers, handmade product sellers, and home-based brands. Number 13. Popcorn Machine. Popcorn is low cost to make and easy to sell in many places. A popcorn machine helps create fresh popcorn quickly with consistent quality. The machine heats kernels using oil and hot air, popping them evenly in minutes. You add kernels, turn it on, and scoop when ready. A countertop unit costs around $300. Each serving costs about 50 cents to produce. Popcorn sells for $3 to $7 per bag. Many vendors make $3,000 to $7,000 monthly profit. This machine is ideal for events, local markets, schools, and snack business starters. Number 12. Rock tumbler. Polished stones are popular for jewelry, decor, and gifts. A rock tumbler turns rough stones into smooth, shiny pieces over time. It rotates stones with grit and water, slowly polishing them through several stages. You load the barrel, set the timer, and let it run for days. A quality tumbler costs around $200. Each batch costs about $5 to $10 to produce. Polished stones sell for $3 to $15 each. Many sellers earn $1,500 to $4,000 monthly profit. Perfect for hobbyists, crystal sellers, and handmade jewelry creators. Number 11. Bolin Mass Fireball Machine, Jewelry Bead Maker. Handmade jewelry continues to grow in demand worldwide. The Bolin Mass Fireball Machine creates smooth, round glass beads used in jewelry. It melts glass rods using controlled heat, shaping them into uniform beads. You heat, rotate, and form beads consistently with practice. This machine costs around $1,800. Each bead costs about 50 cents to $1 to produce. Finished beads sell for $5 to $25 each. Many artisans generate $3,000 to $8,000 monthly profit. This machine is perfect for jewelry designers, glass artists, and small accessory brands. The next 5 machines are the reason many people never go back to their old 9-to-5, because they scale faster than most online businesses. Number 10. Inari P35, Injection Molding Machine. Many everyday plastic products come from molds, and small businesses now want custom parts fast. The Inari P35 injection molding machine lets people create plastic items from home. It melts plastic pellets and injects them into molds to form strong, repeatable products. You load pellets, heat the chamber, and press to fill the mold. This machine costs around $3,500. Each item costs about 50 cents to $2 to produce. Finished products sell for $10 to $40 each. Many operators earn $4,000 to $9,000 monthly profit, perfect for product designers, inventors, and small manufacturing startups. Number 9. Leather Splitter Machine. Leather goods look premium, but consistency matters. A leather splitter machine helps makers control thickness for wallets, belts, and bags. The machine slices leather evenly, creating smooth layers every time. You feed the leather through, adjust the thickness dial, and the blade does the work. A reliable splitter costs around $800. Each item costs roughly $5 to $15 in materials. Leather products sell for $40 to $200 depending on quality. Many leather crafters reach $3,000 to $8,000 monthly profit. This machine is ideal for leather workers, fashion brands, and handmade accessory businesses. Number 8. Bamboo Lab H2D 3D Printer. Custom products are winning because people want unique solutions. The Bamboo Lab H2D 3D printer helps create parts, tools, and consumer products at home. It melts filament and prints objects layer by layer with high precision. You upload a design file, start the print, and let the machine build it automatically. This printer costs around $2,000. Each item costs about $2 to $10 to produce. Printed products sell for $20 to $150. Many sellers generate $3,500 to $10,000 monthly profit. Perfect for engineers, Etsy sellers, and anyone building physical products. Number 7. Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator. Healthy snacks are in high demand, especially natural options. The Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator removes moisture from fruits, vegetables, and meats. It uses warm airflow to dry food slowly while keeping flavor and nutrients. You slice the food, place it on trays, and set the temperature. The machine costs around $300. Each batch costs about $5 to $15 to produce. Dried snacks sell for $6 to $20 per pack. Many home sellers earn $2,500 to $6,000 monthly profit. This is perfect for health-focused brands, farmers market sellers, and food entrepreneurs. Number 6. Once Joined Tapioca Ball Machine. Bubble tea continues to grow worldwide, and pearls must be fresh. The Once Joined Tapioca Ball Machine automates pearl production for consistent size and texture. It mixes dough and rolls it into perfect tapioca balls automatically. You add ingredients, set the size, and collect pearls in minutes. This machine costs around $1,200. Each batch costs roughly $3 to $5 to produce. Cooked pearls sell for $15 to $30 per batch to shops. Many operators make $4,000 to $9,000 monthly profit, perfect for bubble tea suppliers, home kitchens, and beverage entrepreneurs. Number 5. Sausage tying machine. Speed matters when food orders grow. A sausage tying machine helps producers finish sausages quickly and neatly. It automatically ties sausage links evenly, saving time and reducing waste. You load the filled casing, start the machine, and it ties consistent portions in seconds. This machine costs around $900. Each batch costs about $20 to $30 to produce. Finished sausages sell for $9 to $16 per pound. Many small producers earn $3,500 to $7,000 monthly profit. This machine is perfect for home butchers, meat sellers, and anyone scaling a sausage business. Number 4. Xtool F1 Ultra. Laser engraver and cutter. Personalized products sell faster because they feel exclusive. The Xtool F1 Ultra engraves and cuts wood, metal, leather, and acrylic with precision. It uses a focused laser beam to burn or cut designs exactly as programmed. You upload a design, place the item, and start engraving in minutes. The machine costs around $4,000. Each item costs about $2 to $8 to produce. Finished products sell for $30 to $200. Many creators reach $5,000 to $12,000 monthly profit, perfect for makers, brand owners, and custom gift businesses. Number 3. Beverage Hat Heat Press. Custom hats are popular for brands, teams, and events. The Beverage Hat Heat Press makes professional hat printing possible from home. It uses curved heated plates to press designs onto caps evenly. You position the hat, set the heat, and press for a few seconds. This machine costs around $350. Each hat costs about $6 to $10 to produce. Custom hats sell for $25 to $50 each. Many sellers earn $3,000 to $7,000 monthly profit. This machine is perfect for clothing brands, merch sellers, and small promotional businesses. Number 2. Beebox Urban Beekeeping Hive. Natural honey is always in demand, especially local honey. A beebox hive allows people to harvest honey from home spaces safely. Bees collect nectar, store honey, and the box makes harvesting easy. You install the hive, maintain it, and collect honey seasonally. A starter hive costs around $500. Each jar costs about $2 to $3 to produce. Raw honey sells for $10 to $25 per jar. Many beekeepers make $2,000 to $6,000 monthly profit during peak seasons, perfect for nature lovers, homesteaders, and sustainable business builders. Number 1. Manual button press. Small accessories sell in huge volume with low cost. A manual button press creates custom pins, badges, and buttons quickly. It presses printed designs between metal shells using hand pressure. You place the parts, pull the handle, and the button is ready. This machine costs around $200. Each button costs about 30 to 50 cents to produce. Custom buttons sell for $3 to $8 each. Many sellers earn $2,500 to $6,000 monthly profit. This machine is perfect for beginners, event sellers, schools, and online merch stores. If one thing is clear, it is this: real businesses are no longer limited to factories, offices, or huge investments. These machines prove that income can start from a small room, a simple setup, and a smart decision. You do not need to master all 25. You only need to choose one that fits your skills, time, and interest. The difference between watching and winning is taking action. If you want the exact machine names, links, or suppliers mentioned in this video, drop a comment saying, "Send me the list." If this video gave you value, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone searching for new ways to build income, and stay connected, because the next idea could be the one that changes everything.